ఓకే 10th క్లాస్ సిలబస్ లో సెట్స్ లో third day. This is question is if a equal to x such that 2x plus 1 x belongs to n x less than or equal to 5 and set b equal x such that x is a composite number x less than or equal to 12, then show that a union b minus a intersection b is equal a minus b union b minus a. To solve this question we have to simplify a and b in the first case. Then after we have to find what is a union b, find a intersection b, a minus b, b minus a. Okay. So I'm going to write given statements. What is given statement? Given that capital A equal x such that 2x plus 1. Okay. Equal 2x plus 1 is given here. In this 2, 1 we know what is x. X means what? Given here. X means it is a natural number. X means it is a natural number. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on so. Why I am writing these only? These are all natural numbers. So how can we know? Given in the question, it mentioned that x belongs to n. So therefore, n means 1, 2, 3, so and so. And next, one more point is given x less than or equal to 5. X less than or equal to 5 means what? X value 5 less than or x up to 5. Means x value is taken up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to remember this x value is up to taken 1 to 5. So I am substituting 2 into 1 plus 1. Okay, now we have written x values up to 5 only from the given statements. Next, take 2 instead of x, 2 plus 1. Next, take 3. Next, take 4. Next, take 5. And simplify. 2 1 ja 2 plus 1. 3. 2 2 ja 4 plus 1. 5. 2 3 ja 6 plus 1. 7. 2 4 ja 8 plus 1. 9. 2 5 ja 10 plus 1. 11. This is set A. And what is set B? Given that set B equal, what is given? X says that x is a composite number x less than or equal to 12. Okay, first of all, what are the composite numbers? Say, composite numbers means it has more than 2 factors. For example, 4. It has 1 a factor, 4 factor, 2 also factor. So 4 is a composite number. Next to 5 will come? No. 5 has only 2 factors, 1 and 5. So it is not a composite. That is a prime. Leave it. Then 6. 6 is a composite. Next 8 is a composite. So and so we can write composite. So composite numbers, what are composite? 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Then next also we can write, but here condition is given up to 12 only. So that's why up to 12 we can close. This is B, this is A. Now find it. What is the question? We have to find A union B and intersection B, A minus B, B minus B. So these are mentioned in the question. That's why I have written again. So first of all I am finding A union B. A means what? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Next union B. B means what? 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. So union means what? We have to write all the elements. Yes, write them. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 4, 6, 8, 9. So don't write 9 because of already it is written. So no need to write again. Then next one? 10, 12. This is A union B. Next what? We want A intersection B also. This is the first one. Of course, I'm taking A intersection B means what? First write A. What is A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Next word? Intersection. Next word? B. B means what? This is B. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. So I'm going to write intersection. Intersection means what? Common elements. Common elements of A and the common elements of B. What are common elements in both? Is 3 common? No. 5 common? No. 7 common? No. Yes, 9 is common in both. Okay, 9 is the common element. Okay, only when we got. Okay, leave it. Next, we have to find B minus A. Okay, no? So we got it A union B, A intersection B. Okay, no? Just now we have done. In the next, we have to find. Actually, this is we have to prove. Okay. Next, third one, A minus B. A minus B. Okay. A means what? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Next minus B. B means what? 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay. Remove B from A. So what are B's in A? Remove them. So 9 is there in B. So 9 is removed. What are the remaining? 3, 5, 7, 11. 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay. Next, B minus A. So first B write up. What is B? 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Then what? Minus. Okay, write minus. Then what? A. A write down. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, now 4 is there? No. 6 is there? No. 9 is there? Yes. Remove 9. 10 is there? No. 12 is there? No. Okay. Only 9 removed. Then write remaining numbers. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is B minus A. This is A minus B. Okay. So now I'm taking left hand side and right hand side, simplifying. So what is LHS? A union B minus A intersection B. Okay. What is RHS? A minus B union B minus A. Okay. First I am finding left hand side. What is A union B? We got it. Just now we have done 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Minus A intersection B. What is A intersection B? 9. So 9 is there in that. Remove this. What is remaining? 3, 5, 7, 11, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I'm writing in order. Which is the smallest? 3 is smallest. 5. Sorry. Then next 4. Next 5. Next 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. Okay. This is left hand side. And next I am going to find right hand side. What is A minus B? So we got it A minus B. 3, 5, 7, 11. 3, 5, 7, 11. Union B minus A. What is B minus A? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I am writing union. Union means what? We have to write all the elements. Okay, now write down 3, 5, 7, 11, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Write in ascending order. Which is the smallest? 3 is smallest. Then 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got it left hand side and right hand side. Observe, are these equal or not? Both same. 3, 4, 5, 6 are 12. 3, 4, 5, 6 1 are 12. Yes, we got it. Both are same. Therefore, LHS is equal RHS. Therefore, A union B minus B union A is equal A. Sorry, what is that? A minus B union B minus A. This is the solution. Hence proved. Okay. In this chapter sets sixth question. Question is, if capital A is equal x such that x is a perfect square, x less than 50, x belongs to M. And B equal x such that x is equal 8m plus 1, where M belongs to W, x less than 50, x belongs to M. Then find A intersection B and display with it Venn diagram. This is the question. So first of all, I am going to write given information as it is. What is A is given? Perfect square, x less than 50, x belongs to M. What is B? Also given. I am writing what is given in the question. First I am writing given that. Okay, na? We have to find A intersection B and Venn diagram. A intersection B and Venn diagram. So March 18 lo ee question ochindi. So we have to find A intersection B and Venn diagram. Okay. A means what? Perfect square. What are perfect squares? 1 1 ja how much? 1. 2 2 ja 4. 3 3 ja 9. 4 4 ja 16. So these are all perfect square. Means 1, 4, 9, 16. Then next 25. Next 36, 49, so and so. These are perfect squares. Okay. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Next to 6 square, 36, 7 square, 49, 8 square, 64. Okay. Here there are so many terms we can write, but here condition is given that x less than 50. So below 50 only we have to write. So up to 49 enough. So this is set A. Then set B. Here x is equal to given that 8m plus 1. Okay. What is m? M is a whole number. What are whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so and so are whole numbers. Okay. I am substituting first 0. First I am substituting 0 in place of m. Okay. 8 into 0 plus 1. Next 8 into m. What is m is next 1. 1 plus 1, 0 over 1 over. Okay. Comma 8 into what is m? 2. 2 plus 1. Next 8 into 3 plus 1. Next 8 into 4 plus 1. Okay now 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 5. Okay. 8 into 5 plus 1. 8 into 6 plus 1. So and so. So for where we have to stop? To stop, we can apply this condition. X less than 50 condition can be applied. So these are x values. How much here? Something we are getting, here something we are getting, here something we are getting, here something we are, here something. Up to where we have to stop? Up to we have to, we can stop at x less than 50. So below 50 only we can stop. So first of all, finding these values. 8 into 0, 0, plus 1, 1. 8 1 ja 1 plus 1, 9. 8 2 ja 16 plus 1, 17. 8 3 ja 24 plus 1, 25. 8 4 ja 32 plus 1, 33. 8 5 ja 40 plus 1, 41. 8 6 ja 48 plus 1, 49. I think this is up to here enough, because of the values must be less than 50. So below 50 means 49 only. So here we can stop. So got it A and got it B. So what is question? Question asking for find A intersection B. Okay, I'm going to find A intersection B. Therefore, A intersection B called first A. What is A? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. Then what? Intersection. So write intersection symbol. Next B. B means what? 1, 9, 17, 25, 33, 41, 49. Okay, now intersection means what? Okay. Here intersection. Intersection means what? Common elements of set A and set B. What are common elements? See, 9 is the common. Sorry, 1 also common. And 25 also common. And 49 also common. Okay, 1, not 4, 9, 25, 49. This is A intersection B value. Okay na? And more asking for Venn diagram. Okay na? So Venn diagram, see. Venn diagram is, so we should write in rectangular form. This is set A, this is set B. Suppose I am taking a universal set mu. So what are the A and B elements? Common elements can be written in the middle. This because of this is the common area of A and B. So common elements can be written in middle. What are common elements in both? These are only common elements. 1, 9, 25. 1, 9, 25, 49. Okay. And remaining. What is A? 1. 1 already is there. Next 4. Okay, 4. Next 9 already there. 16, 16, 25 already is there. 36, 49 already is there. Okay. This got. Next set of B. Set of B, where is B? Here. 1 already is there. 9 already there. 17, okay. Write down. 25 already in B. 33 not in B, okay. Write down. 41 not in B. Write down. 49 already is there. This is A and B Venn diagram. Asking for A intersection B. So we have to shade A intersection B. Okay, na? You by using pencil draw this diagram very neatly. You will get full marks.